Right guys, now imagine being able to get paid per click for all of your subscribers that click on your email links. Now, I never knew this type of thing actually existed until very recently. In fact, it was last couple of weeks I've come across this, and it has absolutely changed the whole way I'm doing things online now. I'm actually changing all my funnels and all my email swipes, everything. I'm concentrating massively on getting this going as quickly as possible because it's an absolute game changer. Imagine being able to send out emails and get paid for the clicks. Now, they don't have to opt in, they don't have to buy anything or anything. There's no double opt-in, single opt-in, nothing like that. Imagine all these, a lot of you guys are building your list through solo ads. How many solo ads where you've just mailed your offers to your list and all you've got is a bunch of clicks and no sales? Well, now you can email your list and they don't have to buy anything, you will get paid for those clicks. Now, I've got paid over $12 for certain clicks. This is inside one of the networks, and this is what you get paid per click. And these vary, okay? These are different offers. These two offers are work from home, make money online type offers. This is a different type of offer. I will reveal this to people who actually want the information, and I will tell you the network, etc., and where to find and what offers to promote. So there is going to be a catch. All right, so I've actually found out about this technique from a site called Six Figure Formula. Now, these guys I've known for years. They actually got me involved in CPA marketing years ago. Okay. In fact, this is one of their sales pages. If you scroll down, I'm here somewhere. Got a review. I'm here. Okay. This is following their advice, some advice they gave years ago, and I've made $120 from 170 clicks, etc. And that was several years ago. Well, these guys are back, and they're back with a vengeance because they've brought out Six Figure Formula. And I can tell you now, this is absolutely stunning training. Okay, this is how I found out how to get paid per click. And there's a lot of networks that actually pay per click, and they're paying big bucks per click. It's crazy. It's all you need is an autoresponder, and obviously some leads on that autoresponder. They show you how to set everything up. They show you how to generate the leads faster than you can. It doesn't involve solo ads, by the way. You can use solo ads, obviously, but there are quicker ways and cheaper ways to do it. They also show you how to make money through the Six Figure Formula itself, if you want to do that. So when you join, and if you want to join, you will use a special link below this video, and you can get started for $1. If you look, okay, exclusive to Neil Moran subscribers. That's me, obviously. If you scroll down, it's only $1 access to start. Okay, and that's a 3-day trial. And when you log in, you need to click on the Get Started and follow these 5 steps, and this will get some money coming in, so you don't lose your confidence. And then once you've completed those 5 steps, you want to go straight over to resources. Okay, they've got all these tutorials here and training, but you want to get straight over here and affiliate networks, and this is where the gold is. Okay, this is where all the cost per click networks are. Now, on top of all this fantastic training, they also have what's called a Marketer Pro. Now this Marketer Pro software, it will add your leads to, say, Aweber or GetResponse, and they're adding a lot more other autoresponder companies as well. I know they've just added SendLane. So if you are, say if you've got one of your accounts closed, Aweber, you can take your leads and upload them to GetResponse or SendLane just by pressing a button on their software. So you'd come into here, you'd import your list, you'd hook it up to your autoresponder, hit the button, and it would upload them to your autoresponder for you. This software is also powerful because it goes with the training, and they show you how to generate leads and actually how to market, do email marketing on a big scale. We're not talking 100 or 200, 300 leads or even 3,000 leads. We're talking massive email marketing. Okay, this is how the big guys make the money. This is how you stay safe, not get your account shut down. Honestly, you won't have seen this sort of stuff before. I cannot speak highly enough about this training. Honestly, it is a serious game changer. A lot of people who have joined with me or brought into this, they were very skeptical at first, because a lot of people haven't heard of being getting paid per click. As soon as you mention getting paid per click, they think AdSense or something like that, or sitting there clicking on ads all day long. It's nothing to do with that. It is an absolute game changer. This is better than CPA marketing. This is getting paid per click. It just blows your mind, because you've got the restrictions, or you don't have to worry about conversions or anything like that. Obviously, you don't send them crap traffic, but it's all everything's in the training, guys. Seriously, jump on board. It's $1 to test it out for 3 days. Use the special link below. Okay, grab your bonuses, etc. that comes with it. And then once you've joined, okay, and this is important, contact me on Facebook. I'll leave the link below this video. Contact me on Facebook, tell me you've joined, and I will tell you which network to sign up with, because there's about a dozen different networks, but I'll show you the one I'm getting the best results with so far. I'll also tell you the offer that's getting the clicks, getting paid over $12 a click on. So get signed up, then contact me on Facebook through the link below this video, and I will hook you up. All right. 'Cause you're a